What is up everybody, welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. It's me Witchy and I'm back with another PayPal related video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can buy Bitcoin using PayPal. So PayPal has this new crypto section through which you guys can buy Bitcoin. So for those people who do not know how they can use this section, I'm going to be teaching you guys. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? Now what you want to do is you want to go to paypal.com on your browser, just like this. You want to go to your browser, you want to go to paypal.com. After you go to paypal.com, you want to log in into your PayPal account. If you guys already have, it's going to bring you straight up over here, but if you guys haven't, you need to log in first. After logging into your account, what you want to do is you want to go to this crypto section over here. Once you click on this crypto, it's going to take you to the crypto section of PayPal, and it's going to show you all the cryptocurrency which is available for you to buy on PayPal. All the cryptocurrency of the world is not available yet. There's just these 4 cryptocurrency which you can buy on PayPal: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcash, Litecoin. But today's video topic is on Bitcoin, so let me show you guys how you guys can buy it. So you just want to click on Bitcoin because you want to buy Bitcoin, and it's going to show you the current price of Bitcoin. And if you want to buy, then you can, choose the amount of money over here, like 100, 200, 25, or like, $10 worth of it. But if you guys want to add a custom number, you can just click on where it says buy. And you want to click on where it says continue. And it's going to, confirm some of my information before I buy Bitcoin. And I just want to click on agree and continue. And I just want to scroll down and read all these and click on agree and continue, and it's gonna ask me to confirm some of my information over here that's given. And after I confirm my information over here and click on submit, then basically if all the information are provided is correct, then I should be able to buy Bitcoin. So that's basically how you guys can buy Bitcoin using PayPal. So I'm not gonna buy Bitcoin right now because I do not want to buy Bitcoin, but if you guys want to, then you guys can follow the process which I showed you, and you guys should be able to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. So yeah, that's basically how it works. So for new people who do not know what Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is, then cryptocurrency is like a digital currency and Bitcoin is one of the digital currency. So yeah, and it is one of the most expensive cryptocurrency among everyone. And the second one is Ethereum. The first is Bitcoin, the most expensive, and the second is Ethereum. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and hope you guys are able to understand this video. If you were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.